so today we're reacting to sirens from every country. So let's start. Bruh, like the Belgian siren is like a car that is hitting the brakes, you know? Israel is just like wind, you know? When I hear like dune, you know? I don't. Wait, oh shit! What? Like dune, like the meme sound, you know? In the Hong Kong, like the Among Us one. Yeah. You're about to hit like with a fucking bomb, like nuke, and you hit like don't. Like don't. Like what the hell? What the hell? Bruh, China reminds me of something like a film about the hospital, like Dean, like the pulse, and also some like I think there's like a count, like 3, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 3, or I don't know. I actually don't know. Bruh, Japan. What the hell? Yeah. Like, it feels like it was made in like decimals by Sen X or something like that. No, but it sounds like okay. It's like a United States, you know, just like a fragment from it, like dude, it just got the piece out. And that's it. There's the siren. 21. Why do I hear background music? Kinda. Okay, that's a normal one. It sounds like a creepy one. Imagine like what the hell is this? I know, it's not Morse code. Everyone just says it's like beep, 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 beep. You know, maybe it's a fragment and something else in there, but I don't know. What's that? What is that? What am I doing? Was it like like imagine just seeing like playing FNAF and the siren, like the lights turn off and like there's ding ding like the siren. Imagine. Bro, it reminds me of some analog horror, you know? Like some sort of analog horror. I don't know. Bro, Brazil, what is that? Like, beep, beep. Like, bro. Okay, it doesn't like, it's me. Oh, it's gonna have Brazilian funk. Oh. Siren is the most important thing. Chili is creepy. Okay, that's creep. That's a normal siren, I actually think. Like it's not Morse code. I don't know. Norway. Bro, what's that? What's that, bro? Okay, what's that meme sound, bro? What the hell is actual? Yeah, that's not creepy. Like beep. Okay, that's a bit funny. Well, like, what is that? Okay. What is that? Bro, what's so loud? Maybe it was close to a speaker, but still, like, it's loud. Okay, that's a normal siren one. Okay, that's creepy. That's creepy. Okay. What is that, bro? That's a normal siren, but I don't know. I don't know about it. What's there like? And there's like, like what is that, bro? Like, like Etina beast, Etina beast. Like, and there's like trying to make a ghost sound. What's that ghost sound, bro? What is that? Oh, this a bit reminds me, you know, of like I remember like the song "Whoop Whoop," the sound of police. Like imagine, but still, or of disco. I don't know, like I remember. Woo woo, the sound of police. Like the sound Switzerland siren, just pasted. Like instead of sound, whoop whoop. You know. Okay, that's a normal siren, but the number, I'm not gonna say it. But this is still not creepy. Czechia, what's Czechia trying to do? It's like still sounding like a bit of FNAF, or I don't know. Like it sounds like a USA one. Okay, that's a normal siren. We get this one. Actually, in Russia, we get this one. What is that? Okay, that's normal. Okay, bro. Who's trying to do a high-pitched honk on a car? Like, this is high-pitched call. Ah! Sorry. Brothers laughing. Why did you add laughing music, bro? Why did you add laughing? Bro. What's that, bro? What's that honk, bro? I think it's the wrong sound, you know, like you picked the wrong answer and there's like honk, you know. Okay, that sounds like a start of TV show, you know, like bro.
الرجاء الانتباه.
Yeah, that's oh shit. What is that? Like bro. Well, this reminds me of a virus, you know, like you just drink too much coffee and then it's like, I go just crazy with it. Oh, I know this one. We don't have this one siren. We have like. Like something like that. Bro, why are you putting like again the China? Like there's like we don't have like something like that. We have like another siren right now. Okay, so that is creepy, you know. Oh, India, bro. You're like, this is actually creepy. Like, imagine just lights turned off, and like there's dun, 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 dun. For some people it's not creepy, but like India, bro, imagine like the lights turn off and you just see a tornado and there's like ding, 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 ding. It's still like creepy. Okay, I don't know about this one. Bro, Turkey. Okay, that's a normal one, actually. Bro, who's barking? Who's barking? Who's barking? Ah! Okay, what is that clock? That's a fucking ringtone alarm. Like, bro. Okay, Pakistan is going like with the alert sound, you know, like din-din, din-din. You know, they just added menu like 4 versions. Okay, I don't know about Ukraine, and maybe it has like the same that I told you with Russia, like I don't know. It's old one. Okay, that's not creepy, bruh.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you
Okay, so maybe we react to other videos. I don't know, bye.